Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets and also giving you some master classes on technical chart patterns so that you get to recognize what you see that's right in front of your face. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what's known as a bullish rectangular pattern. Now, you have to understand something about technical analysis. Now, I'm not talking out of both sides of my mouth, but it's just really important to understand. There's something called chirality of markets. And what that means is just as you have a left hand and you have a right hand, they're mirror images of one another, equal yet opposite. That also exists in marketplaces. So whenever you see a chart pattern, right, and they name it, okay, a bullish rectangular pattern, doesn't mean that it's completely bullish, because if it falls out of the rectangle, it's turning into a bearish pattern. So chirality of markets. But the idea is to start to understand the patterns as you see them so that you can recognize breakouts when you see them to try to jump on board. So what exactly is a bullish rectangle? Well, a bullish rectangular pattern is a continuation pattern, okay? Now, this is a 4-hour chart, all right? So obviously, Bitcoin has been coming off from the highs and has made now a double bottom right here, okay? We could do this in Forex, and generally, I trade Forex actively, but I just found this, which was pointed out to me basically by another trader that trades coin. He trades lots of Bitcoin and altcoins and all that stuff. He's a really good trader. So I figured, hey, that's a really good lesson to bring to my Forex crew. So anyway, like Bitcoin itself has been in a downward movement since, the 109, 110. Okay, so now all of a sudden now it's reached a double bottom right here. So we're basing this chart pattern off of a 4-hour chart off of a double bottom. It's not really a strong signal, okay? But it's good for short term, all right? It's not good for long term, but it's good for short term. So exactly what is it? It's a continuation pattern that shows a temporary pause in a prevailing, say, upward movement. Now, this is right now, the marketplace isn't in an upward trend. It's basically just in an upward movement off of the double bottom. All right. We would say Bitcoin's in a bull trend, upward trend once it breaks that 110. Then for sure, it's in an upward trend. Right now, it's in a major consolidation phase. Some people are saying it's going to 68,000, even lower, maybe even 58,000, which is possible. Anything's possible. And other people are saying by the end of the year, it's going to be 250,000. So there's a lot of tug of war going on, but we're not here to talk about projections in price. We're here basically just to talk about this bullish rectangular pattern. Okay. So this, like we just said, this is a very short-term chart. It's the double bottom. Marketplace is coming up. It makes a high right here, and it starts oscillating between these 2 points. Basically, this is really what you got to consider being a breather, okay? Now, people that are bullish are going to say, well, this is where, right now, people are selling up top, but yet the bulls are absorbing all of the sales. And, the marketplace keeps coming back in and selling, and it keeps holding. Now, there's a couple of things we can talk about with this pattern itself. Is like, we could dissect the pattern, but we'll do that for another video. But let's just stick with what this is, all right? So bullish people that are bullish on this pattern are going to think that this is, when it goes into this rectangle right here, it's basically taking a breather for the breakout. Okay, they're going to be looking for the breakout upwards. And well, where could it go? Well, you basically, what you do is you actually project price based off of the size of the rectangle. Okay, so at this point, say it's 87,000, the bottom is 82, it's 5,000. So if you take your 87 and you go 5 in, well, you can go 92, 93,000, something like that would be your target. So if you had the breakout from here, all right, marketplace moving up, you'd be looking to get out if you took the long you'd be looking to get out right. Look at that. I got that level right there, 92,273, which was just a natural resistance level in Bitcoin as it stands right now. Now, all right, I'll give you a little bonus. Okay, like I said, there's chirality of markets. Okay, when you're looking at this pattern, okay, what you really want to start to see is you want to start to see higher lows and banging into the top, higher low, and then breaking out. Okay, right now this is not really showing that. Right now it's this thing is stable. It's like flatlining right here. Now I would be concerned with this pattern if we dump down below this, because then most likely we're going to expand it and we're going to go down into this level right there, 78,000, which is a major support point short term for Bitcoin. Then of course we got that double bottom right there. That's really important for it to hold for all you Bitcoin bulls. But right now we're just basically talking about the bullish rectangular pattern. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please tell me, give me some comments. What would you like me to go over? You want me to go over any type of particular butterfly pattern, things, whatever it is. If I really know it well, I will tell you. If I don't know it well, I'll put in the comments, I don't know anything about that pattern. But remember, always you can head over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook, and please share my video far and wide. I want to build a big trading community. And remember, always, as a short-term trader, if you're taking this breakout, enjoy the party. Dance near the door. Cheers.